Well, the theme for the event this year was to create the future home experience. And with the sound rooms, they wanted to basically replicate what the sound quality in a home would be in a luxury home environment.
We want our clients to feel what they would feel sitting in their own home theater. We want them to have the fullest experience with the lighting, the seats, and the content on the screen to be able to see what they would be seeing right at home. So from the attendees' perspective, their experience is elevated because they can really be immersed into the entire situation. They feel what they would actually be feeling if they were at home and sitting in their own theater.